Okay, I better move pretty quickly. This stuff sets in 4 minutes, it says. So I'm going to just pour a little blob of this out. And pour a little blob of this out. Equal parts, it is. Not quite equal. Hopefully it still works. Now mix it together. We've got 4 minutes, so we've probably only got about 3 minutes now. It's just to mix till it's a uniform colour. I'm actually colourblind, so I can't tell, so hopefully it's a uniform colour. God, it smells. Okay, I'm going to try this then. So we'll put a little bit on this piece. And a little bit on this piece. Here we go. Get it around the right way. Right, it's stuck together. Supposedly you don't need any force. It's probably been about a minute. So we're going to have to wait another 3 minutes. Possibly 2.5. Hopefully my fingers don't stick to it. I'm just trying to get it to go back into its right place. While we're at it, just gunk some more resin on it. Just gloop it on. Feel there is a reaction happening. It's getting thicker. We might as well use all of this. I don't know if this is the correct way to do it. I'm just doing it this way. The temperature inside could be 12 degrees. According to the piece of paper on the back of it, it says recommended for applications above 50 degrees Celsius, that's 10 degrees, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 10 degrees Celsius. Caution, epoxy resin is harmful if swallowed, so don't swallow it. Don't stick it in your eyes, and if it gets on your skin, it may irritate it. Flush it with water. I think I got a little bit on my finger, but we'll see what happens. We have, yeah, it's thickening up. It's getting thicker. It's been about 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. hopefully it is in the right position as well. Didn't really think about that. Let's see. I think it will be in the right position. Don't want to get it on your hands, but yeah, that's what they all say. Definitely getting thicker. So we will see. It's now been probably about 3 minutes. Definitely a change in its consistency. It's definitely been 4 minutes. Has not set hard. I don't know what the proper curing time is. So I will just leave this to do its own thing. Might go and do a little Google search to when you can actually put the thing back together. It's changed. Looks like it's changed colour. Like, not colour, but it's gone more opaque. Well, it's definitely harder. So I will leave this and come back and see what's happening.